You think your house is big? Wait till you see this beast.
The 2026
Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome isn't just a truck, it's a mansion on 60 wheels. This thing is so massive, so loaded with luxury, that calling it a motorhome feels like an understatement. It's a rolling estate, and it might just make you want to sell your house and hit the highway for good. Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the most mind-blowing mobile residence of 2026, the Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome. From the moment you lay eyes on this rig, it commands attention. The classic T2000 cab has been completely reimagined. The front end now features a custom aerodynamic high-roof sleeper, finished in silver and black chrome accents. But what really steals the show is what's behind it. An ultra-extended, multi-section trailer that stretches farther than most city buses. It's beautifully finished in a two-tone silver and light gray paint job with wooden-framed windows, small balconies, and even a rooftop lounge area. Step inside and you're greeted with nothing but opulence. The interior is bigger than most urban apartments. We're talking full-size kitchen with marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, an induction stove, and even a walk-in pantry. There's a living room with a fireplace-style LED screen, reclining leather sofas, a dining table that seats 6, and lighting that adjusts to your mood. The motorhome also features 2 full bedrooms, yes, 2, each with queen-size beds, built-in closets, smart lighting, and wall-mounted entertainment systems. And don't worry about squeezing into a cramped bathroom. Here you get a full bath with a glass-enclosed rain shower, his and hers sinks, and even a heated toilet. Need an office? There's one tucked into the rear slide-out, complete with a desk, dual monitors, and satellite internet. There's also a washer-dryer unit, a mini gym setup, and underfloor storage for bikes, scooters, and outdoor gear. Now let's talk power and tech. The T2000 is powered by a turbocharged 15-liter engine delivering massive torque to handle all that extra weight. On the roof, you've got high-efficiency solar panels that power much of the interior. Supported by lithium-ion battery packs, the leveling system is fully automatic, and the smart control panel lets you manage lighting, temperature, slide-outs, and security all from your phone. On the outside, there's a built-in staircase with stainless steel railings, a retractable awning, and even a small wooden deck that folds out for picnics or relaxing under the stars. Park this thing at a campsite, and suddenly everyone else looks like they're living in tents. At a starting price pushing close to $2 million, this isn't for your average RV enthusiast. But if you've got the cash and the dream, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome proves that luxury living doesn't need to stay in one place. Thanks for watching, and next meetup,